ka Ultras Bathamai, one bat persyang nyai ka kali Ultras Bathamai, ka branch penmi da Tata Motors, ki features babon jai bon rukam, one man test drive ha Frank Motors, haneng mobley, like Corny Shillong.
All new Ultras feels special.
Hadian ba argun ki sister bat ka wei ka longkmi ka babut yaki kala yo jamin no na ka special code jong ka NIE ha ka sin sajan laingut ki samlakan thai kila mudui kala da ka ejahar FIR hanara yanpur persha ikit khot ka bajrang dal kini ki laingut ki samlakan thai ki dei ki balakin no yaki sister baki khai yaki bre bopin kala niam jubor namar baki sha berniam bersit bat shapen bor ha ki khot ka bajrang dal Karga kies ka paminchwa kalong persha iki sister menta kala khompong penban shaki bajrang dal hadian bakini ki basha penbor ban keno iki sister kilakran bat phala omdei persha iki sister hendai kilakran persha iki nong berniam bersit ban keno klem nong remia ki sister.
I am in front of the Durg Central Jail where the two hapless nuns and the Adivasi Yuva young man have been imprisoned. And we have been consistently supporting the cause. And we have been visiting the offices, institutions, and other places of the Christian community here. And we have been hearing them, listening to them, and we have been interacting with the civil society. And we are happy that the fight and also this constant support has yielded some result. But let me just say that this is only a partial victory. We have to fight to make sure that this FIR is squashed. Along with that, there are so many false cases that he has been implicated. And the BJP hasn't yielded. The Sangh Parivar is still active in spreading canards. Even today in the morning, there was digital poster which was circulated saying that these two nuns were instrumental in human trafficking. And the BJP is running with the hare and also hunting with the dog here. So we have to make sure that all like-minded parties, progressive forces, secular forces are rallied so that this onslaught that is happening against the minorities across North Indian states and the farce that is being happening in the name of conversion laws are being defeated. These nefarious schemes for BJP have to be defeated. And today I can say that the Constitution, the Samvidhan has won. And let all of us continue with this fight. And unless a resistance is being unleashed, unless this fight is being taken ahead, there may not be any respite. So let us be cautious and let us be conscious about the fact that this victory is only a partial victory and a larger struggle lies ahead of us.